Remember that M5Cardputer touchscreen mod we built? Today, we are turning it into a custom penalty kick arcade game, and I've got a very special guest to test it out. To bring this game to life quickly, I teamed up with Jules AI. I prompted it to handle the physics of the ball, the goalkeeper's movement, and map the touch controls. Jules generated the entire arcade logic flawlessly. Time for the ultimate test. I handed it over to my son to see if it's actually fun. Seeing him smash those goals and enjoy something we built from scratch, that is the absolute best part of being a maker. The full source code for this penalty game is live on my GitHub. Link in the description. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next project.